Right, so a quick trap I wanted to show you. It's kind of like a figure four, slightly different. It does take quite a lot of carving and isn't necessarily better than any other figure four, but it's something different I wanted to try. I was just kind of messing around and just kind of figured it out as I was going along. So I'll set it up and then we'll have a look at it and you know, talk about whatever else, if there's things wrong with it. So that's it set up. I'll bring the camera a bit closer so you can see. So hopefully you should see that. So it kind of resembles a figure four, but the trigger stick at the bottom is just laid on top of a knot. And obviously once that is pushed down, then that bit will flip up, if that makes sense. That should make sense. So you can see there. Now, from about here down to the bottom of the trap, sorry, I'll zoom out a bit, show you that. So from here down to the bottom of the trap, or the bottom of this stick, this wood is completely cut all the way through. You can see that there. That's cut all the way through. I suppose you could do this with a forked stick, maybe. And at the front, you have to cut a little bit of a shelf there, and that is so the string doesn't rise up in the air. And then your bait stick, it's not really a bait stick on this one, it's more of kind of a treadle stick. So you'd have it like that, and hope the animal stood on it and pushed it downwards. It's more for standing on rather than anything. So this might be better for any type of animal to stand on a stick, and birds especially would do that. But with that, it might be better if you had made the whole thing larger, had a cage or something over the top. And there was only one other thing I thought about this trap, is this stick always pretty much stays in that position, and even when the trap has been set off, it stays in that position. This bit might flip out, this bit maybe, sometimes it gets caught underneath that one, but this one always stays there. That's why this trigger, I think, would probably be better with a cage over the top of it, rather than an actual deadfall weight. So when the animal stands on that, knocks that knot down, and that flips up in the air. I'll show you a close-up of the parts now. So you've got that knot there. So this part is shaved there to nearly a point with a bit of a flat top. Cut all the way up there, and a shelf cut there. That is for the string to sit against. So it doesn't ride up. This one pretty much like a figure four, bit of a notch there, but then this bit is cut kind of to a flat point and then shaved like that there. and that obviously fits in that piece of string there. And then on the trigger or the treadle stick, it's just a plain stick. As long as it fits loosely in there, and it'll work right. That would catch an animal, but I think it might be better if it was a cage trap and this was set up for birds. Right, anyway, cheers for watching. I'll see you later.